3, 2. We have ignition sequence start. All engines running. We have a liftoff.
Wouldn't it be fun to be on the development team for this project? Yes, it would, and I was fortunate enough to do so. Hello, I'm Lawrence Jacowitz, also known as Dr. J. I teach the sequence of project management courses in the software engineering program. My background includes engineering and project management as well as academia. I began my professional career with a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering at MIT. My first job was at North American Aviation, the predecessor of Rockwell International, at their Navy aircraft plant in Columbus, Ohio. I was an engineer in the aerothermodynamics department. Soon, I entered the Master of Science and then the PhD program at The Ohio State University. Concurrently, I was advancing nicely at North American, but I was at terminal velocity. They didn't need a PhD at that plant. By then, I was interested in how the aerospace business was run, so I went to Martin Marietta as the manager of military requirements analysis. After a few years, I was somewhat seasoned and ready to tackle aerospace projects. So I moved to IBM in Huntsville, Alabama, to work on Apollo and post-Apollo projects. 28 years later, I retired from IBM in Morgantown, West Virginia, after a career managing government projects, military and civilian, space and non-space, proposals and contracts. Along the way, I managed IBM's part of the Space Shuttle program at Rockwell's facility in Downey, California. This was definitely the most exciting and rewarding project of my career. Then IBM sent me to teach at the California State University, Dominguez Hills, as part of the IBM Faculty Loan Initiative. Eventually, I made my way back to the East Coast and West Virginia. I've been teaching at West Virginia University since Y2K. Who needs to know about project management? You already know that a project is a team activity. The following people participate in a typical project. First, everyone on the team, including all team members, team leads, and the project manager. But there are other possible stakeholders, such as the project sponsor, your boss, who might not be the sponsor, others in the parent organization, plus external parties, such as government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and so forth, who have a stake in the outcome of the project. Stakeholders who understand project management know how to contribute to a project's success. What is project management? Project management is about the life cycle of a project, from its initial concept to its successful completion. Simplistically, a project is a bunch of people developing a new product or service. We call the result the content of the project. We call the process which makes this happen the project management. So project management is about how well a team accomplishes the development and delivery of the desired content. What project management courses are offered? I call the sequence of project management courses PM1, which is SENG 510 in the catalog, PM2, SENG 610, and PM3, SENG 611. In PM1, you will learn project fundamentals and best practices for successful projects. In PM2, we will address complex phenomena and complex projects. As examples, how issues of complexity influence the design of software-intensive systems. Or why is it so hard to design complex systems? And what is different when a system is part of a larger system? In PM3, we will expand our horizons to understand how software projects are related to their external environment. Every software project has a business reason. Therefore, it is appropriate to study the business of software. Why you should take the project management sequence? There are at least 3 good reasons, which I will share with you. First, through your better understanding of smart processes for software projects, you will be able to improve the probability of the project's success. Second, your better understanding of the design of complex systems will contribute to better design practice. Third, you will have the joy of obtaining new knowledge while advancing your career.